Hi, everybody. As Ernie Harwell used to say, to open up his Tiger broadcast. Hi, everybody. You probably don't know what that is, the Tiger broadcast. We got a professional baseball team in Detroit called the Detroit Tigers. The Hall of Fame announcer, Ernie Harwell, that's how he started every broadcast. Hi, everybody. So I always use it, because I was a huge fan. And friends. All right. It's wonderful to be here in the former home of the stock exchange. I'm going to take you in an entirely different direction to the bottom of American society, the blues world. My book of poems is called Fattening Frogs for Snakes. I have the honor of having this event named after my book. I know you probably don't know what that means. It's an American idiom from the South. Fattening frogs for snakes mean you get some frogs and you fatten them up so you can have some frog legs for dinner. And then the snakes come along and take the frogs away from you before you can eat them. I regarded that as a metaphor for what happened to the blues. It's called the Delta Sound. And the Delta, of course, is the part of the Mississippi, state of Mississippi, along the Mississippi River, not the actual Delta, but they call it the Delta. It's below Memphis and above Vicksburg. And it's where the blues was born. Was a land of utter oppression of black people. They picked cotton and etc. Didn't get anything at all. Okay. Starts with a poem called The Delta Sound. And that starts with a quote from Muddy Waters. You know Muddy Waters? Great. Now you're talking. Muddy Waters say, ain't too many left that plays the real deep blues. Ain't too many more left. There ain't too many left sings the type of blues that I sing. Muddy Waters to Robert Palmer. Is that me feeding back? Sorry. When I was with the MC5, of course, feedback was a big part of our presentation. But not part of the poetry presentation, I'm sorry to say. Okay. Muddy Waters said that to a great writer, the late Robert Palmer, not to be confused with the pop singer of the same name. He wrote the essential book on the Mississippi blues called Deep Blues, Bob Palmer. He was a good friend of mine. From the lobby of the Peabody Hotel in Memphis, where the Delta begins, down Highway 61 through Tunica and into Clarksdale, Mississippi. This is where the music was born and bred. In miles and miles of cotton fields, one-room shacks, dirt roads stretching across the countryside. Standing at the crossroads where 49 meets 61, we're waiting in the dark for the train to make it down the tracks and jump on board, because anywhere else is better than this place. This is where the music came to be. Boogie Lightning against the sky. Tommy Johnson and Charlie Patton making their pacts with the devil at the stroke of midnight. Legba at the crossroads of Africa and America. black men and women dragged in chains and shipped in chains and whipped into Mississippi, where the music came to life under the whip and the gun, and hours of relentless sun beating down every day on the slave peoples, cutting trees, pulling stumps like mules, plowing the cleared land, planting, picking cotton, dawn to dark, the music deep inside them coming out in grunts and groans and the moans of the spirits of the ancestors in the train whistles, in the air, everywhere, the land soaked with their blood, the night alive with the spirit voices wailing over their crops, the fruits of their labors, the richness of the land, a constant mockery. Everything they made was taken away. Everything was stolen from them. But the music made life go on and moved peoples to stay alive and led them out of the Delta to Chicago or Detroit, but some big city, some other place where no cotton grows. And the crackers wear suits or carry lunch pails, and the plants pay that good money. And the music gets harder and louder, lightning, electricity leaping from the walls. The Delta sound brought to bear on the city, deeper than deep, from where all feeling rises. The Delta sound. Ain't too many left. Ain't too many more left. There ain't too many left at all. Delta sound. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Merci. Merci beaucoup.
Although that she has done me wrong,